Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Intergeo with Craig from the Gap Group. Craig, we've got a smorgasbord, literally, of Leica Geosystems equipment around us. Got the streamed EP here, got the brand new TS20, got the AP tilt pole as well. That's because Gap is investing heavily now in not just your standard equipment, but equipment like this, isn't it?
That's correct, Peter, yes. You mentioned the streamed EP. It's been an investment which we've just done recently within the Gap Group, going from our standard core penetrating radars up to the more advanced streamed EP. We've been working alongside Leica to do some training sessions with our customer base as well, as we look to expand this fleet and other fleet, including the TS20, which is behind us. Our tech guys have got hands-on with it today.
Good.
We're really excited about it, we feel from a commercial point of view as well, with the IP rating that's got in it, the new tracking system that has got in it as well. We know deft's a big problem in the UK, so that's going to really help us as well. And we're just looking forward to getting it into our fleet. It'll be another investment in Gap, which we're investing all the time, and just looking forward to our customers getting hands-on as well.
And the one thing about this is it's about getting solutions, isn't it? Like you were saying, building up that solution to something really big like this, but also getting the right equipment. And we've got the AP20 tilt pole here.
Yes.
And that's also going to be on your fleet because they kind of match together, don't they? One complements the other, but also that package of productivity is what you were telling me about earlier, isn't it?
Yes, that's what we want to offer within Gap as well. We want to offer the customers the best kit on the market, the newest kit on the market, the innovative kit on the market as well. Like you said, this will come hand in hand. We'll be purchasing the AP20 with the new TS20s that we're bringing in, as well as the likes of what we mentioned earlier, the streamed EP and all other bits of equipment as well. We've got a wide range of fleet now. We're investing all the time. We're building our technical support team. You know, we don't want to just deliver a box. We want to have that support and that confidence with the customers that they can come to Gap as a one-stop shop for survey.
Fantastic. So great to see you here, Intergeo.
Thanks, Peter.
Making those deals come true.
Yes.
Cheers.
Yes.